Welcome to today's fun height increase workout. Let's stretch, move, and grow stronger together. Are you ready? Let's start!
First, jumping jacks. Open and close your arms and legs. Jump, jump, jump. Great job! Side bends. Stretch to the left and stretch to the right. Feel your body getting longer and stronger. Next is forward bend. Stand tall and slowly bend forward. Reach down as far as you can. Nice stretching. Time for hands on the head, bow down. Put your hands behind your head and gently bend forward. Keep your back straight. Awesome! Let's do wall standing glute kickbacks. Right. Hold the wall and kick your right leg back slowly. Great balance. Wall standing glute kickbacks. Left. Switch legs and kick your left leg back. Wonderful work. Downward facing dog on the wall. Place your hands on the wall and stretch your body long. Feel the stretch from head to toe. Time for double knees to chest. Lie down and hug your knees to your chest. Hold it, and relax. Let's do Cobra Stretch. Lift your chest up like a happy cobra. Stretch your back gently. Amazing! Cow pose. Round your back like a cat, then lift your chest like a cow. Meow. Moo. So fun. Last exercise, prone flutter kicks. Lie on your tummy and kick your legs up and down. Flutter, Flutter, Flutter. Fantastic job, superstars.
See you in the next fun workout. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Bye-bye! And keep growing strong!